Yeah. Today we start how we use the Coreldraw. Okay, whenever we want to just design some template,
Yes, sir.
banner, okay, iCard, visiting card, you can use the Coreldraw software. And how can we open this software? First, we just press Window plus R and just type Coreldraw. Okay, which option? First, we just press what? We just
Windows
press
R.
yes. Then we just press Control plus Window plus R. Then what? We
Then we type in crawler drop.
just click here, just typing here, just see there. If you want to just increase the font size, we use what? Control plus 6 is the shortcut key to increase the font size. We use Window plus R, right?
Yes, sir.
After pressing that, we use what? Corel. Just type Corel. It will open and just OK. Click on OK or just click on run. It will open, right? So it's a shortcut way
Yes,
by which
sir.
we just open the particular software, this software that is known as Coreldraw, right? So here we have the many tools like that. Here we go with which option? Start with that option. That is, see there, here is the option is blending property. These are the interactive tools, okay? First one, that is blend tool, counter tool, distort, drop, shadow, envelope, and extrude and transparency. Let's go with the blend tool. So for the blending tool, we have
Sir.
we have two objects for this property. Just select it. You just draw the rectangle like that and color it by using this. Just see here and just color it. When you scroll up, you just zoom in, and when you just scroll down, it will zoom out, right? And here the shortcut key, when you press Shift plus F2, Shift plus F2 to zoom out the selected area. And if you just press Shift plus F4, it will minimize the or fit in window your working areas, right? So shortcut key is Shift plus
Yes, sir.
F2 for the zooming the selected or working area, just like pressing Shift plus F2 for the zooming. And if you want to just again move on the window, like press window plus Shift plus F4. And you want to just take the preview and overall view, just press F9. It will give the look of your work by using F9. Okay, so these are the shortcut key for the view management. And after drawing this, just
Yes,
draw a
sir.
circle like that structure. Clear? And if we want to just make the
Yes, sir.
different shape between circle to rectangle, we have to use which option? That is the blend option. Just click on blend option and drag down like that from here to there. You will get these types of look of object. You will get a series of
Yes,
objects
sir.
between these two shapes, right? And after that, if you here we have some property of the blending property. First one, that is the for the color. These three for the color property change. When you click on second option, that is the clockwise blend tool, it will look like that. There's some color change in this particular section. And when you click on this
Yes, sir.
clockwise, and it is the counterclockwise, and you can choose any format for the color combination as you want, right? And after doing that, here we have the next tool, that is the acceleration. If we want to just change the acceleration of object like this, if we want to just less acceleration in this particular section, first you just press here and just move like that. So color will automatically change, color will automatically shift according to the object. But we want to just separate the color and object acceleration, just unlock this. Just click on this. After clicking this, it will becomes unlock, and after that you just adjust the separately this property. Okay. So first is press here and click on this. You can adjust properly or separately by using this, right? So here we have a lock. Just click on this. It will unlock or lock by clicking on that. And after unlocking this, you can move here and it will move like that. Okay. Understood? So that is about which
Yes,
option? This is
sir.
the use of acceleration object, right? Second one, just click on this. Size acceleration. Just click on this. It will increase the size. Just click on this and just increase size like that. And after that, here we have the rotation angle. Just click on this. It will rotate like that. Just see there. This rotation is available here. Is it visible or not?
Yes, sir.
So if you want to just make the
Yes, it is good.
rotating, yes, good. And after that, if you want to just decrease the number of shapes, here we have the number of 2, but we just click on this, it will decrease or increase either by going this or increasing or decreasing form. You can increase the number of shapes between these two objects or decrease the number of shape between two objects like this, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And after doing that, here we have the next property. This is the map node and a split node. So why we use split node? Just see them. Firstly, we just increase the number of shapes like that. And after that, we just move on this option. And here we use split option. Just click on split property. And where you want to just break or split the particular series sequence, just click here. And after clicking on that, you can just move your last object. It will give some angle between that. Right? Here we have the angle. Why? Because we split this object in from this section as we clicked previously, right? Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
press Control plus Z to move backward direction or just undo for the undo, right? And next one here we have the next option, that is the new start. You see there, new start and show start. So firstly, we have to just check the show start where we just start the object. Just click on show start. It will show the starting object. Just see that. Just click on show start. It will show this is the last one object. It is the starting object. Okay. The sequence is starting from this rectangle. That's why it's showing the starting object. And if you want to just replace the last object or starting object, so just draw any shape from here. That is the different shapes available. Then you just draw the star like this. Just place your cursor here and just move on a star and draw the shape where you want, just like this. And click on this, it will color it, or you can just drag here and just drop it. You will get the color in the section. And after doing this, just see there the position of order of this object. So its order is in front of the object. So we have to just send it back. How can we send it back, this object? When we press here, just so select it and press Control plus page down or page up. By this, we can move the order. We can change the order like that. Just use page down to
Yes, sir.
backward direction. And when you press Control plus page up, it will move the object at the top. Just see there. Here we just use here Control plus page up. Always just press down. It will moving at the last. So just we place our object like that at the end of the object below this last object, right? And after doing that, we just move on this tool. This is the tool new start. Just click on new start. It will give a arrow and just place your arrow on this object. What happened? The shape series will shifting on the another one, new one, like a star to circle, right? Understood? And
Yes, sir.
similarly, if we want to just shift the ending object from circle to rectangle, so we have to do the same step. Firstly, we have to find out the ending object. Just click on this. Here we get the property, and here the option, that is the new end or show end. So firstly, click on show end. So it will show the ending object. So just see there, this is my ending object, and our object should be able of this ending object. So we change the order of this object by using Control plus page up, by moving the order, by change the order. So it comes at the top or comes at the front. And after coming this on front, we can able to do this process, right? This is what show end, and just this is the next option, that is a new end. So we are able to select the new end. Just click on this and just again click on this particular new object. You will get the series in this section, right? And leave the
Yes, sir.
So by this option, we can just do this process. And if we want to just arrange this object on a particular path, we have to draw some path by using this is the tool, that is a freehand tool. Go with that and draw a line according to your requirement like that. Clear? So this is my path, and after selecting this,
Yes, sir.
we can choose the path, that is a new path. Just click on this new path and click on this, and it will ask for the path. So here we have a path. Just click on this. It will arrange on your path like that. Okay. And after doing that, if you want to just remove this particular line from this particular series of object, just press here and press Control plus K to break the object. Just click on this. It will remove or ungroup with the object and just delete it. So after giving the path, you can remove the path by using Control plus K by breaking the property, and after that just delete it. And after that, if you want to just separate all the object from this sequence, just press right click on this section, and here we have the option that is ungroup all. Just click on ungroup all, right? When you click on a group, it will separated object, it becomes separated like this. And again, this last one also separated, just delete it and just right click again and click on ungroup. Okay, and shortcut key Control plus U, either you can go with that or you can use Control plus U. Just click on this and just see there are different shape coming between these two shapes like this. Okay, so how a star become a rectangle? All the steps coming in these types of shapes, right? So if
Yes, sir.
any shape, you can go with that like this. We want to just like this shape, just delete all the shape and just take it and just delete all the shape. By selecting it, just delete. By using select and delete, delete, delete and delete. So here we have a shape like that and just increase the size of that. And if you want to just fill some color with that, just go with that. Here we have the option that is the match fill tool. Which option? That is the match fill tool. Why? Right? And shortcut key is M. When you press on this, you will get the angle with that. Right? This is the some section that is known as column and row. So here we have 2 columns and 2 row section in this object. Right? And if you want to just fill this color, just select the color and drag down or drop down like that. You will get the multiple color in your object like that. Right? Clear? So these are the different colors coming with that. And after this, just click on which option, selection tool, and just decrease the size of that. Just single click on this. You will get the dot. And if you double click here, you will get the arrow like that. You can just rotate this arrow. You will get the rotation on this object. Understood? And just select it.
Yes, sir.
And decrease the size of your image. And after doing that, just press Alt plus F8. Alt plus F8 for the transformation tool. Just see there, Alt plus F8. Okay, just directly press Alt plus F8. Here we have some angle rotation. Just click on this and just type some value as well. Just type here 45-degree angle. And here we have the 9th position of the object. If we want to just rotate our object from the particular axis, we can select the axis by using the relative centers. After giving angles in this particular section, we can choose any relative centers. So here we firstly just rotate some little bit like this. We will get the corner of that object. And we want to just rotate all the object around this center. So we just use this particular section. Okay. And how many number of shapes you want, just type here 5 or 6, just type 5 and click on apply, just see them. Okay, we will get these types of object like that. Clear? Is it easy?
Yes, sir.
Right. So after this, again, just press Control plus A and press Control plus G to group this object and decrease the size by using this. And if you want to just again do the same process, just select it and again select the any corner from that and like that and press how many shapes with how many, which angle, just select anyone and click on apply, you will get another one. So we will make these types of design by using this, right? So see there are different types of design we can make by using this property. Clear? And how
Yes, sir.
property, either you can save this image and if you want to just see the look, proper look, just press F9, which shortcut key? F9, right?
Yes, sir.
You will get the object like that and escape to come out. And if you want to just work with that, just select it and press Shift plus F2. Okay, Shift plus F2 and press F9, you will get the more larger look. Just press escape, come out. Understood here? And
Yes, sir.
after this, select this and Control plus G. So by this option, we will make these types of object. Okay. Just go with the next tool. Just delete it or just move in some other section like that and just go with the new object. Just see there. Here we again just take some rectangle like that, draw some rectangle like that and give some color with that. And again, here we go with the next tool, that is the counter tool. That is the counter interactive tool. Just click on this. If you want to just make the counter part, just click on this and this dot. Okay, this dot or this node and drag a little bit upward direction. You will get these types of outline around this particular object, right? Like this. And we can also set the number of outline by using this. Here the option by which we can decrease the number of outline by using this, and you can increase by using this. And after this, you can just also increase the space between this counterpart, right? And here we have the same different series of colors. You can select anyone for the color. And after doing that, you can set the color from here as well, like this, red color for the outline and fill color for the red, like that. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
And here we have the next tool by which we can just arrange the different types of counterpart. Just click on this, you will get the center like that. And second one, click on this, you will get the outline outside of this rectangle, and just click on here, you will get like that normally, right? And here we want to again just go with the distortion tool. Firstly, just select this object, and here we have the distort tool. That is the third one tool, that is the distort tool. Just click on this and hold this node and just drag up like this. You will get this flower like structure, and just move like this. You can change any shape like that. Clear? And after doing that, you can just do the same process with that. You can do the same process with that. First, you just select it and set the corner for that and give the angle for that, and click on apply, and just type your 6 number of object and click on apply. Okay. So here we have it group. That's why I just press select it and press Ctrl+G to make the group of all the objects, right?
Yes, sir.
Firstly, we have to group this object, and after that we just go with that option. So select it and press Ctrl+G, Ctrl+G, or you can go with that here. Here we have the option that is group. Right click and click on group. Here we have a ungroup, and again just click on and right click here, and we choose what? Group option. Group, Ctrl+G shortcut key, right? And click on this and click on apply.
Yes, sir.
There is some shapes problems with that. Just move it a little bit outside the serial. Just press Ctrl+Z. Here we have the shape, and so after selecting, just give angles on that and just click on here and just click on apply. It will move like that. Okay, so this becomes a flower, and after that just select it and press Ctrl+G to make group. And after making grouping, if you want to just place some center part of that, just select the circle and draw some structure like that, and give the black color at the center, right? And you will get the flower like the structure here. And just select it and press Ctrl+G again. It becomes group. And again, you want to just do with another one, just go with that, right? So these are the object by which we can make the creative designs by using this. Okay. So firstly, just try these 3 tools, and after that, you can go with the another one, right? Clear here?
Yes, sir.